How to set up a Linksys Wi-Fi extender at home. Bought a Linksys Wi-Fi extender and still struggling with dead zones or weak Wi-Fi signals in parts of your home? Learn to configure the device properly to zero down the network drop. Here's exactly how to set up Linksys Wi-Fi extender manually, without any app downloads, just your browser and a few simple steps. Plug the Linksys Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet and wait for the LED to blink amber, orange. On a mobile device or computer, open Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the network named Linksys Extender Setup. Locate the SSID from the label on the back of the extender. Now, open web browser and enter IP address 192.168.1.1 or extender.linksys.com in the address bar and tap Enter. Setup page will open. Tap on Manual Setup. Now, enter the default username password, admin in the space provided. Tap Login to access the dashboard. On the Settings page, select Operation Mode as the preferred mode. Scroll down to configure the extender's Wi-Fi settings. Enter a custom Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password for the 2.4 GHz band. Do the same for the 5 GHz band if available. Click Advanced Settings to choose the Wi-Fi security type. After you're done with the settings, tap Save. Wait while the extender applies the changes and restarts. If the LED of the extender turns solid green, it depicts the extender is ready. Keep it up. The setup is complete. Enjoy an improved Wi-Fi connection reaching even those areas of your home/office where your main router couldn't. Enjoy a stronger, more stable connection across your home. If this tutorial helped you set up your Linksys extender without any hassle, give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you have questions, we are more than happy to help. Because we believe a strong internet connection starts with the right setup, we've got you covered. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech fixes, step-by-step guides, and your smart home's connectivity help. Thank you for watching.